Morning team, welcome back. It's a new week. It's Monday, April the 8th. This week we got CPI and PPI, but I'm gonna be trading until Wednesday because I got a trip and I'm gonna stay away for a few days until next Tuesday probably. Anyway, today news-wise it's dead, and tomorrow too. It's like nothing relevant. That said, we can still see some decent price action. Okay, last week closed interestingly. We took the previous week low and previous week high and closed inside again. Okay, if you ask me on a weekly level, yeah, you can say like the equilibrium of the week of support has been respected, okay, but it's also been mitigated. If you ask me on this exact level, also looking at daily, if we take last week high and reject, I think we're gonna go way down. This structure for me is still bearish, you know. This is bearish to me. I mean, yeah, it's a higher low, but well, let me put in context because yes, you know, this is still a pullback to me. This is the move that brings the charts down, pullback. Now it's the pullback of the pullback. Let me explain you. Okay, this is a daily support we pushed. I think until this equilibrium of this bearish order block stay in place, we should go down, you know. And when I say stay in place, it means that the chart can go up here, but then dump. This big bearish order block, wait, you don't see that big now. This is the bearish order block, this one. They broke this structure and this structure, you know. So I want this one to stay in place, this one. And for me means that we can see another big break like this one, but I want them to close below the equilibrium. If we start to close above the equilibrium, probably the bearish dream is over and we're gonna go higher. Okay, that's what I mean. So honestly, the way we bounced off the volume imbalance and this breaker is kind of bullish to me. At least in the short term here, you know, when we went down, when we were here, I was kind of bearish, okay, because we took a raid in fair value gap and I was like, okay, we're gonna go down. But look at this reaction, guys. When you see such sharp reaction, I don't know, somebody bought here, you know. Can we go down? Yes, of course we can, but it doesn't look like we're gonna go down straight to me. You know, gun to my head, we do something like this. There is liquidity here, and I can totally see Euro doing something like this. You know, this is Euro type of play. Fuck everybody that wanted to short so early. You know, and then maybe we're going down. This is so Euro, if you ask me. This breaker is now mitigated. You know, so something like this will be like dream play for me. Right now, this is a weak high because this high didn't manage to make a new low. It's been absorbed. So yeah, that's what I see. This is a strong low because look at this. Let me go on a clean chart. Break one structure, two structure, 3, 4, 5. This is a strong low. You know, somebody here bought enough to disregard all these resistances. They got defended here. So now I think we're gonna go higher, take some more liquidity before dump. That's what my eyes are seeing right now. Okay, yeah. So how can we get involved in this? I have no idea. It's still early, too soon to say, but I would like to take some longs. Technically M15 is down now, so you want this to give up. So if I see something like this, they give up on this, you know, some BMS bullish, probably pull back. This would be lovely. something like this probably, or maybe we take this Asia low and go higher, you know, I don't know. It's too early for me to say, but if you ask me, I rather go longs than aim to this low. This low I think is gonna stay in place for the future run in liquidity. So yeah, that's my view right now. I tend to go long, but I'm also aware that M15 right now is bearish and I don't want to go long blindly, you know. I can't go long blindly. I mean, honestly, we can even dump it. You know, we can even dump here in this support, because right now the breaker held, but this is another support level, a valid one. Who knows? Maybe we dump here, take this liquidity, and then run the higher. You know, what I think is that we're not going to go all the way down right here. You know, I think we're gonna take more liquidity, and most of the liquidity right now for me is this one, and this is a weak eye to me. Okay, that's enough for me for today. Probably too long of a video. I'll speak to you tomorrow and more charts later. Have a nice day. Bye.